Have you ever typed into a search box and your app sends a new request on every single keystroke? That's not just annoying. It can crash your server, slow down your app, and hurt user experience. In this video, we'll talk about a simple tool that fixes that, Debounce. And yes, we'll write our own version, no libraries needed. What we need to know, what is Debounce? So, what does Debounce mean in programming? Imagine you're typing into a search input. Debounce says, let's wait a bit after the user stops typing, and then run the function. If the user keeps typing, we reset the timer. Only when they stop, the function is finally called. It's like telling JavaScript, don't interrupt me. Wait until I'm done. Why do we need Debounce? You usually use Debounce when you don't want a function to run too often. For example, in such things like searching in real time, reacting to resize or scroll events, auto-saving from data while user is typing. Without Debounce, our code can run dozens of times per second, totally unnecessarily. With Debounce, it runs just one, when the user finishes. This saves CPU, reduces network requests, and make our app feel smarter. Okay, and now let's move to the example. Like you see, I created simple HTML file that contains two tags, input for searching and div for display our content. And also I created a JavaScript file. Inside this file, we connect our elements, our search input and results container. After it, we have a function that fetching request for the mock data. I used service JSON placeholder. I think it will be more than enough for example. Next we see a simple function. This function will display the result that we'll get from the server. And in the end I connected search input that will be fetch request all time when user types, but if user removes the text, we'll use an inner HTML and clean our input. Okay, and next let's open the browser and see how it works. Like you see, I've already opened the network panel, and all time when we type the text, our function calls and we send a lot of requests after each letter. And now let's fix it using Debounce. Like I said before, we'll create our own Debounce. It's very simple. We need to initialize new function using keyword function and call this function Debounce. This function will take two arguments. It'll be our callback and delay time after our function will be run. And next we need to use a closure. I think you're familiar with this concept. If not, you can go to my channel and see a video about it. If I won't forget, I'll add a link to the description. Yeah, and our Debounce will return anonymous function. This function will be take arguments that will be used. Now we need to clear timeout all time when our function will be called. After it we create set timeout, and this timeout will be call our function and take arguments from our anonymous function. And using our delay, and our Debounce is ready. Now we need to initialize this Debounce, and we can call this function Debounce fetch. And using our Debounce, and like we remembered, our Debounce take two arguments. First argument will be our fetch function, and second argument will be delay. I think we can add 1000 milliseconds. It'll help us to see results immediately. Yeah, and in the end, we only need to remove our fetch function from input and connect our new Debounce fetch. That's a query like argument. And now open the browser and see how it works. Like you see, now we have delay, and if user type new chapter, we clear our timer and create new timer and run function only when user stops typing. Okay, it's all. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.